Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. What are idioms, you ask? They're phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. They add flavor and personality to our conversations, but they can be tricky for learners. So we're going to explore 25 common idioms to help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started. First up, bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult situation with courage. For example, I hate going to the dentist, but I just have to bite the bullet and get this tooth fixed. Next, break a leg. It sounds a bit strange, but it's a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. You could say, "You'll be amazing in the play tonight. Break a leg." Number 3 is hit the sack. This is a casual way to say you're going to bed. After a long day, you might tell your family, "I'm exhausted, I'm going to hit the sack." Then we have spill the beans, which means to reveal a secret. If your friend knows something you don't, you might say, "Come on, spill the beans. What's the surprise?" The ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to make a decision or take the next step. A manager might tell an employee, "I've given you all the information. Now the ball is in your court." Let's talk about a blessing in disguise. This refers to something that seems bad at first, but ends up having a good outcome. For instance, losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it pushed me to start my own business. Next is call it a day, which means to stop working on something. After hours of studying, you could say, "We've done enough for now. Let's call it a day." Have you ever heard cut corners? This means to do something in the easiest, cheapest, or fastest way, often sacrificing quality. The company went out of business because they were always cutting corners on their products. Get out of hand is our next idiom. It means a situation is getting out of control. A teacher might say, "The classroom party started to get out of hand when the music got too loud." Then there's hang in there. This is a way to encourage someone to persevere through a difficult time. If your friend is stressed about exams, you could say, "I know it's tough, but hang in there. It'll be over soon." It's not rocket science. We use this to say that something is not complicated. When teaching someone a simple recipe, you might say, "Just follow the steps. It's not rocket science." Let someone off the hook. This means to free someone from responsibility or blame. For example, he was supposed to do the dishes, but his sister let him off the hook and did them for him. Make a long story short. This is used to get to the point of a story without including all the details. Make a long story short, my flight was canceled and I had to take a train instead. Next up, miss the boat. This means to miss an opportunity. The tickets for the concert sold out in minutes. I really missed the boat on that one. On the ball. If someone is on the ball, they are quick to understand and react to things. Our new team member is really on the ball. She learns everything so quickly. Pull someone's leg. This is a friendly way of saying you're joking or teasing someone. "Don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg. I didn't actually lose your keys. Sit on the fence." This describes someone who is undecided or unwilling to choose between two options. When my friends argue, I prefer to sit on the fence and not take sides. Go the extra mile. This means to make a special effort to achieve something. She always goes the extra mile for her clients, which is why her business is so successful. A piece of cake. This is a classic idiom meaning something is very easy to do. I thought the test would be hard, but it was a piece of cake. Once in a blue moon. We use this to describe something that happens very rarely. I only see my cousins from Australia once in a blue moon. The best of both worlds. This refers to a situation where you can enjoy the advantages of two different things. Working from home gives me the best of both worlds. I can earn a living and spend more time with my family. When pigs fly. This is a humorous way to say that something will never happen. He said he'll clean his room when pigs fly. So I guess it's never going to happen. Cost an arm and a leg. This idiom means something is very expensive. I'd love to buy that designer handbag, but it costs an arm and a leg. Jump on the bandwagon. This means to join a popular activity or trend. Everyone started wearing those shoes, so I decided to jump on the bandwagon and buy a pair. And our final idiom for today is burn the midnight oil. This means to work or study late into the night. I have a huge exam tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight. And there you have it, 25 English idioms to make your conversations more dynamic and natural. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is to hear them in context and practice using them yourself. Don't be afraid to try them out. Which of these was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.